Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive the Ford Ecosport Titanium. First, ensure your seat and mirrors are perfectly adjusted for your height and comfort. Always fasten your seatbelt before starting the engine for safety. Take a moment to locate essential controls like headlights, wipers, and the infotainment system. Understanding these basics will make your driving experience much smoother and more confident from the start. To begin, ensure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal. Insert the key and turn it, or press the engine start button. Once the engine is running, select your desired gear. For forward motion, move the selector to D for drive. If you need to reverse, choose R. Remember to release the electronic parking brake, typically a button or lever, before you start to move. Now, let's get moving. Gently press the accelerator pedal to increase speed smoothly. To slow down or stop, apply steady pressure to the brake pedal. Always maintain a safe following distance from the vehicle in front of you, typically 3 to 4 seconds. Use your turn signals well in advance when changing lanes or turning to communicate your intentions to other drivers. When you've reached your destination, find a safe and legal parking spot. Use your side mirrors and rearview camera, if equipped, to assist with parking maneuvers. Once parked, shift the gear selector to P for park and engage the parking brake. Finally, turn off the engine and remove the key or press the engine stop button to complete your drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.